In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet forms. Let's dive in by starting at your Smartsheet workspace or home. Picture this as your personal dashboard, the place where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see all your projects and sheets displayed, ready and waiting for you to bring your ideas to life. If you have a specific sheet in mind for which you want to add a form, go ahead and navigate to that existing sheet. If not, no worries at all. You can effortlessly create a new sheet from scratch. Smartsheet gently guides you through this process, ensuring you set up your columns and rows properly so everything is organized neatly. Once you're inside the sheet you want to work with, it's time to focus on the top toolbar. Look for the option called Forms. Click on it. With this, you're preparing to build the form that will align seamlessly with your sheet data. The next step is to create the form, and for this, you'll see an option to do just that. Select it. Smartsheet is incredibly resourceful here, automatically generating form fields based on your sheet's columns. This handy feature saves you a significant amount of time, as all critical elements are created instantly. However, you'll often want to personalize and arrange the form to better suit your needs. Smartsheet boasts a simple drag-and-drop interface, letting you arrange the columns easily to establish how data will flow for your users. Remember, the default field titles might come across as a bit technical or confusing for an end user. Fortunately, Smartsheet provides the flexibility to edit these field titles, making them more user-friendly. You can adjust these labels without worrying about altering the actual column names, which is quite convenient. Consider toggling on options like required fields or adding helpful texts. This ensures that important fields receive the necessary attention and can assist users with any questions or confusion they might encounter while filling out the form. Next, let's explore the settings. Clicking on this will open up additional customization options. For example, you might want to thank users with a personalized confirmation message after they submit the form, or maybe redirect them to a specific URL for further actions or information. You can also alter the theme or style of the form to align with your company's branding or personal preferences. A visually cohesive form contributes significantly to creating a professional impression. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Open Board to preview the form you've just crafted. This step is crucial as it allows you to see the form from a user's perspective and make any last-minute tweaks. When you're satisfied with your design, be sure to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and your form is ready for use. Finally, to share this form, click on Share Form. You'll find options to send it via email, copy the link to share manually, or even embed it directly onto your website. This flexibility makes distributing your form across various platforms a breeze. And that's how you create and manage forms using Smartsheet. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Now you're all set to gather data efficiently and professionally.